right now. Whew, your boy tired. That's phase one of this project here. Get some rocks put under my carport, given that it had rained so much here recently, and I was running it up over here on this side and this side. Yeah, I'm tired, y'all. All this was done by hand. This brake, that shovel, I broke a shovel, that wheelbarrow, and I think just over 7 yards of rock. So if there's anybody out there that see this here, feel like you want to come help me, hit me up. I don't turn down help. But like I said, this phase one. I'm gonna call it a day on this one because your boy tired. Y'all have a good one.